What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you something very interesting. We have got the brand new version of Samsung Internet application straight from One UI 9. Yes, thanks to that Josh guy on X who has shared the APK for this brand new internet application. This is the version 30 from One UI 9. I'm going to come back to his posts in a bit. First, let's check out the brand new internet. Now, let me just go to the version number here. You can see it's 30.0.0.25. Just for your reference, let me show you the latest version on the current version of Samsung Internet. This is 29.0.2.76. So let's quickly check this out. Let's see what this brings in. Currently, this application can be installed on your S23, S24 or S25, any of the devices. And there are two ways to install this. One is a cloned application, which can be installed on non-rooted devices. And if you have a rooted device, you can install a different APK. Now, both the APK links, I'll leave it in the description. First, you need to uninstall the existing version of your Samsung Internet on your phone. Uninstall it from your secure folder as well. There should not be any trace of Samsung Internet on your phone. And then you go ahead and download the APK from the link in the description. Let me show you this. Let me uninstall this. Now let me go to my files. I have already downloaded the APK. Let's go to downloads. Here is the clone APK. Now let me tap on this. Here we have a pop-up. Do you want to install this application? Make sure you have turned off your auto blocker. Then tap on install. It says app is installed. Let's go ahead and open it. Now this is the welcome page which we see on the current version on the One UI 8 or 8.5 as well. Let me tap on continue, summarize, translate web pages. Next, keep your browsing data synced and tap on start. Now this is something which we already have. This is the same old home page. Now let me tell you what you need to do to get this new floating bar at the bottom. Now here you need to go to the search tab and type about:/debug. Now tap on search. You will see this particular page. This is where you need to tap on this three dot button to enter into the menu and tap on settings. Scroll all the way down. You will see debug settings. Tap on this. This is where you're going to see main view settings. Tap on main view settings here and enable compact mode. I'll go ahead and enable this and go just 2 steps back here. And now you need to go to the layouts and menus. Here you go. We have got the brand new option compact. Now this is not available in the current version. Let me quickly show you that on the current version of the internet. Let's go back to the internet application here. And if I go to the settings and tap on layout and menus, you can see we have got standard and a bottom here. Here we have got standard, bottom and compact. Just select compact here to check out the brand new compact version of the search bar here on the internet application. Now I selected compact. Let's go back and here you go. This is the brand new layout for the home page. We have got the search URL bar at the bottom here in the compact view, and it is a floating pill right over here. And this will remain here even when you go to a specific web page. Now, since this phone is not rooted, I will not be able to check the rest of the features of Samsung Internet from One UI 9. Even the AI mode will not work. It will take me to Galaxy AI. When I tap on continue, it doesn't just work and you will not be able to sign into the internet as well. So I don't suggest you to download this application if your device is not rooted, because you won't be able to make use of all these features. If you're very curious to see this floating bar, then you can go ahead and check this out. Now, apart from this, let me show you the expos from that Josh guy here. This is how your layout is going to look on the full version. And this is your recent tabs. And on another page, we have got Ask Anything button. Now this Ask Anything is a brand new feature. This is going to be the brand new AI features on the One UI 9 on the Samsung Internet. We have got translate, read highlights aloud and summarize. And we also have got this new feature called Ask Anything. We'll be able to ask anything about the specific web page that you're browsing, and you can ask follow-up questions as well. So that is something new, and that is not currently working on this version of cloned application. So if you want to really check out the full version, then you have to root your phone. So I don't suggest you to do all that. So this video is more of information purpose only. But if you're really keen to try that floating bar, you can go ahead and try it following the method here. Thanks to that Josh guy for sharing this APK and letting us install this on the phone and experience it. Let me know what do you think about this. Are you excited? Drop a comment. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in this wallpaper, this was added recently under premium section. All you need to do is download Volvo's wallpaper application. Go to the premium section here, and you will see right over there on the recently added wallpapers. So go ahead and check them out. There are some beautiful wallpapers here on our application. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a like if you find this video informative. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.